Hey y'all, if you guys want to see how I got my nails from this to this, keep watching. Alright y'all, so in this video I am going to be removing the nails that I have on completely and doing a overlay or a wrap, as some of you may call it. Alright guys, let's get started. So I'm going to start off by using my cuticle pusher. I'm going to start off by using my cuticle pusher to push the cuticles back so that I have enough space to go around and remove the gel. And now I'm using a flat nail file that I got from the Dollar Tree, I believe, and I'm using that to get under and just lift the nail. This should not be painful at all, guys. It is simple and very easy, and they came right off. Now I'm using my nail gel that I got from Amazon. It was super cheap. I'll include a link down below so you guys can see and go snatch one. But if you do not have one, don't stress, no sweat. Just use your hand nail file to get this done. All I'm doing here is trying to smooth out the surface so that I have a smooth surface to work with. Now, as you guys can see, I'm using the nail brush to remove the dust from my nails and my work area so that it is dust free. And now I'm going to apply my base coat and set that. The base coat is the glue that helps to keep the gel secured to your nails. So you want to apply that first and then set it and then apply the gel. Whenever I'm setting my nails, I set it for 60 seconds. And now I'm just getting my slip solution together so that I have it ready to basically push around the nail gel. I got this from Amazon. It didn't come with my kit. I don't know if it come with other kits, but I had to purchase this separately. You definitely need this slip solution to slip and move the gel around easily. Like, it's so necessary. So the gel that I decided to use was the color soft pink, and it is number 10. There are different colors out there. I will try to link this one in the description box because I purchased two different kits and this one came in the second kit that I purchased. Now that I'm rewatching this clip, I realize that I could have zoomed in a little bit more so you guys could see. But I hope you guys get the picture. So I basically did all 5 nails and then I let those set for 60 seconds, and this is what they look like. And now I'm going to just file and shape and get them to my liking. You guys, how beautiful is this color? Like, seriously. So now I'm going to apply some base coat and let that set for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to apply some top coat and let that sit for 60 seconds. You guys, I'm obsessed. Look how beautiful they came out. I also applied some cuticle oil and I massaged that into my cuticles, and this is the one that I have. I got this one from Amazon. I'll link this in the description box as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification so that you are officially a part of your girl's journey.